Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup order spreadsheets with OneDrive version history, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the OneDrive application on your computer. Ensure you are logged in with your Microsoft account. Next, navigate to the folder where you store your order spreadsheets. If you haven't created a specific folder for these files, consider organizing them now. Once you locate your order spreadsheet, right-click on the file. From the context menu, select the option that says Version History. A new window will appear, displaying all the saved versions of your spreadsheet. Take a moment to review the timestamps and descriptions of each version. If you wish to restore a previous version, simply click on the desired version. You will see an option prompting you to restore or download that version. For restoration, confirm your choice, and OneDrive will replace the current file. If you prefer to keep the current version and instead download the previous one, choose the download option. The file will be saved in your chosen download location. Now, let's explore how to enable version history for future backups. Return to your OneDrive main screen and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, find and click on Office Upload Settings. Make sure the option to save versions of files is enabled. This allows OneDrive to automatically keep track of changes made to your spreadsheets. When you make any updates to your order spreadsheet, OneDrive will save a new version. To ensure you're using version history effectively, remember to regularly save your changes. You can access the version history at any time to track changes or recover older versions. This simple process helps safeguard your important order data with minimum effort. Now, you've successfully learned how to back up your order spreadsheets using OneDrive version history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.